Introducing Ideal Shield Jacketing, an outdoor durable, self-adhesive laminate finish for externally insulated supply and return ductwork and rooftop piping systems. We're pleased to bring you our shop-in-a-box solution to antiquated, high-maintenance insulation systems that are labor-intensive, expensive, and messy. Where fabric and mastic fails to seal long-term, and metal is expensive and only works if the caulking holds, Ideal Shield Jacketing is your all-weather warrior, delivering a zero-perm, flexible system with a watertight seal and a 10-year warranty without paint. Jacketing or cladding systems can be used on new construction or retrofit jobs and are easily installed by one person. It would take 18 buckets of mastic and many more trips up and down the stairs to yield the coverage from this one roll of tape. Ideal Shield Jacketing can be installed in a variety of weather conditions and requires no cure time. The benefits include reduced labor, reduced material costs, and minimal waste. All you need to get started is to set up a 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of plywood on 2 sawhorses. Make sure that the insulation has been installed per the manufacturer's requirements and that all the insulated surfaces are clean and dry. Open the carton according to the instructions printed on the outside of the box and remove the toolkit. Use the provided clamps to secure the carton to the plywood. The carton now serves as a dispenser for the material. Starting with the bottom of the ductwork, measure across and add approximately 6 inches to the total width to yield a 3-inch lap on each side. Cut the Ideal Shield Jacketing with the knife provided. Peel back the brown paper liner about 4 inches and center the tape across the ductwork with an even lap on each side. Ideal Shield Jacketing is repositionable at this point. Smooth out the foil tape with the supplied squeegee and peel the liner back as you go. Complete the bottom of the ductwork first, overlapping each piece 3 inches. Measure the side panels, adding 3 inches for 1 lap on the bottom. Apply the same way, lapping under the duct. Finish with the top and use the same measurements as on the bottom, adding 6 inches for 2 3-inch laps on the sides. This provides a proper rain shed and ensures the integrity of the system. The flexibility of the Ideal Shield Jacketing makes it easy to wrap inline reducers, curb stops, and legs. Ideal Shield Jacketing is a self-adhesive, all-weather, flexible protective laminate with a unique acrylic adhesive. Once installed and squeegeed in place, it becomes an outdoor durable, mold-resistant, zero-perm vapor barrier for complete moisture protection. It is available in 4 finishes: embossed aluminum, flat aluminum, gloss white, and embossed white. Building owners, engineers, and contractors will all benefit from using the Ideal Shield Jacketing system. Visit our website at www.idealtape.com to download the technical specifications for these products and to locate a distributor near you. Ideal Shield Jacketing, built for battle.